Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Dunkin' hot chocolate. First, gather your ingredients like good quality cocoa powder, sugar, and your preferred milk. We'll walk through the simple process of combining these to create a rich, comforting beverage. You'll be surprised how easy it is to replicate that familiar Dunkin' taste right in your own kitchen. Get ready to enjoy a warm, chocolatey treat. To begin, measure out about 2 tablespoons of good quality cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar into a small saucepan. Next, add 1 cup of your chosen milk, whether it's whole milk, almond, or oat. Gently heat this mixture over medium-low heat, whisking continuously. Ensure the sugar and cocoa dissolve completely, creating a smooth, rich base without any lumps. Now for the fun part, customization. A tiny pinch of salt can really bring out the deep chocolate notes. For an extra special touch, top your hot chocolate with a generous swirl of whipped cream and some chocolate shavings. You might also try adding a dash of vanilla extract or a drop of peppermint for a seasonal twist. Serve immediately and savor every warm, delightful sip. For the best flavor, always opt for a high-quality cocoa powder. It truly makes a difference. Remember to heat your milk gently and avoid boiling it, as this can scorch the milk and alter the taste. Experiment with different milk types to find your perfect creamy consistency. Also, for other great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade Dunkin' hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.